and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some protein brownies. Now this recipe is definitely not mine. I did see this recipe on my particular protein powder's Instagram and it's a Happy Whey protein, and I've just been trialing this protein powder probably for like the last 3 weeks. I was always a woman's best protein girl, but I just wanted to try and have something that was going to be a little bit more cleaner in ingredients, like no artificial sweeteners, just real all natural ingredients. Now it's still a whey protein, but it's processed in a different sort of way. It's New Zealand pasture fed whey, so it's a lot gentler on someone with a sensitive digestive system, which is me. So I've been trialing this and I absolutely love it. I've just got another 3 bags on their way, and yeah, so we're going to work with this today. So pretty much I've prepared a lot of the ingredients already just to make things a little bit easier, but predominantly this recipe is a black bean chocolate brownie recipe, so predominantly from black beans, which is really exciting and I cannot wait to try it. Okay, so pretty much all the ingredients you guys are going to need is 1 can of your black beans. You're also going to need half a cup of almond meal flour. You're also going to need 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil melted. You also need 1/4 of a cup of cacao powder. We have this here. We also need 2 scoops of our chocolate whey protein. Now I'm sure you could probably substitute it for a different flavour. You could probably mix the vanilla and the chocolate together, either or, just go with your taste. You're also going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a tablespoon of baking soda, 1 egg, 1/4 of a cup of almond milk, 1/4 of a cup of stevia, and some dark chocolate choc chips. And that's all you guys are going to need for this recipe. Pretty much I'll put down the recipe down below for you guys so you have all the ingredients and how much you need, and then you can just screenshot it and go for gold at home. Alright, cool. So let's do this. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees, self-explanatory, everyone should have done that. And then you're also going to need to get yourself a blender or a food processor. I'm using a food processor today. And yes, so don't mind me, I'm going to be working off of my phone because I don't know this off by heart. But yes, let's do this cooking. And excuse the whole tracky get up today. I'm going for comfort, you know. Been in the kitchen for the past 2 hours, cooking my meal prep for the week, cooking my brother's meal prep for the week, and yeah, been cooking like crazy today. Alright, so pretty much we're going to add all the ingredients instead of the chocolate chips into the blender. Blend until you reach a smooth, silky consistency. Okay, so we're going to add, first we're going to add our black beans. Now with your beans you want to make sure that you have drained and rinsed them, which I have already done. So we're going to go and add straight into the blender. Let's make sure this thing's actually on properly. Yes. Now we need half a cup of almond meal. Have that. Then we need to add our 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil. Just like that. And then we need our 1/4 of a cup of cacao powder. Yum, 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 yum. How good is that? Alright, then we're going to need 2 scoops of our chocolate whey protein. If you guys haven't tried this protein powder, well, you're not living, because it is just something else, to tell you. Has no additives in it, like no sucralose or just all that fake sugar shit. It doesn't have that, which is amazing. Alright, 2 scoops. Protein. Okay, what's next? Then we need to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, wherever that is. There she is. Found it. Alright. Well, 1's a teaspoon. Oh, it doesn't tell you. Not to worry, friends, not to worry. This one tells you what a teaspoon is. I am that girl who doesn't know the mils or grams, you know? You know. Oh my god, that doesn't even have a freaking teaspoon. What the hell?
6.5 hours later.
There we go. We have a teaspoon, friends. Okay. Vanilla essence. Love this shit. So great. I'm just going to add a dash more because why not? Why not? Alright, then we need to add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Is this half a teaspoon? Nope. No, it is not. I wasn't even planning on filming this video, guys. I was just going to cook these today, and I thought, you know what? Why not just whip out the camera and just go for it? We can all appreciate a healthy dessert. Because if you're like me, you eat way too much chocolate. So we're gonna go for a healthier version, yeah? Baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. There's a difference between these two. I never knew that. Now I do. Pretty sure that's what helps make it rise, to be quite honest with you. But I could be wrong, so don't come at me. Then we need 1 egg. These are homegrown eggs. Nothing better. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now we need 1/4 of a cup of almond milk. You can tell I'm so bad with measurements, like I'm actually so bad at it. There we go. Cup. Now I'm just not using normal almond milk, I'm just going to use vanilla flavoured almond milk. I thought it would give it a bit more flavour, and it's all I had in the fridge. Yum. I'm so excited. I have not tried this recipe before, guys, so this will be kind of a first impressions once she's cooked. I'm pretty excited though, they look delish. Then we need 1/4 of a cup of stevia. There we go. I don't even have normal sugar anymore in my teas or coffees. Literally all I have is stevia. Some people hate it, like it does have a bit of a like taste, but I'm so used to it now that I just, yeah, can't even taste it. Can't even taste it. And there we go. That is all the ingredients together. Now I'm gonna blend it and see how the mixture is itself, because I kind of feel like adding maple syrup, the sugar-free maple syrup. I kind of feel like adding that in there, but it could be a bit too liquidy, so then I'll add a bit more protein powder or something like that. But I'll blend it first, see the consistency, and go from there. So yeah, let's blend her up, baby. Let's do it. Does anybody else get scared when they use these things? Because I do. like way too runny. Just keep, oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, yeah. Does it tell us how long to blend it for? Blend until you reach a smooth, thick, silky consistency. Okay, well. It's definitely not looking smooth. Ooh. Yum. Oh my god. That is something else, I tell ya. I'm not even going to add the maple syrup because that just tastes so damn good. So damn good. Get off the finger. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Alright, I'm going to blend this for a bit longer because it needs to be a bit smoother. Look, I'm just going to say she's ready to go because I'm super impatient. I've done nearly a full cup. I'm going to pop it in and then just see. Probably going to go more than that, not going to lie. Because, like, who doesn't love chocolate chips? Come on. Yum. This looks so delish. I'm going to add just a bit more choc chips. And then I'll leave some for decorating on top. Yum. Not gonna lie, this looks so freaking good. So good. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and lined my brownie tray with baking paper. And then now we're gonna pour it into the pan. Yum. Yum, this looks so good, not gonna lie. If you guys, even if you use a different protein powder, you could so go onto Happy Way, onto their Instagram and check out all the awesome recipes that they come up with, and they are just to die for. It's all healthy ingredients. You could go ahead and use whatever protein powder you really wanted to. But like, Happy Way is definitely one of the best. I'm not gonna lie, best I've ever tasted. I will admit it definitely doesn't dissolve into water as good as the Women's Best. It sometimes, yeah, needs a bit more of a blend, but I don't really care because you know it's good for you. And yeah, I just love the fact that it's all clean ingredients. Like, there's so many protein powders out there that are just filled with sugar, and then if they don't have sugar, they're filled with like nasty artificial sweeteners, which honestly spike your insulin just as much. And there's just so much research that they, you know, can give you cancer and stuff, which, not gonna lie, everything says it gives you cancer, but yeah, I just think the cleaner the better. I never used to be like that. Like when I was doing this no sugar thing, I was like, yeah, it's fine. Like I just started going with everything that had like sucralose in it, but they're just as bad, like just as bad. Might as well just have normal sugar, if you ask me. All right. Beautiful. Now, of course, when you're baking, guys, it's totally okay to lick the spoon, lick the bowl, do all the rest, because like, it's the best part about baking, really. Now you just want to smooth the mixture to the corners of your tray. God, I'm so curious to see how this rises. Some recipes, they just don't rise. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Now I'm going to sprinkle some chocolate chips on top. The recipe does say to melt some chocolate afterwards, which I possibly could do. I was going to pick up some white chocolate, but I kind of forgot. But that's fine, we'll have chocolate chips on top, so that'll be just as good. You know, you could even add a little bit of coconut. Ooh, I might do that. Might as well just use the rest. And if you guys don't like dark chocolate, you can just use regular chocolate. I'm just going to add a little bit of shredded coconut on top. Yum! And that, my friends, is all you have to do. Now we want to pop her into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then we should be good to go. We'll check it, we'll put a skewer in there and make sure it's clean on the inside, and then once it's done, I'll bring it back to you, okay? Let's do it. All right, they are ready. And they smell absolutely divine, like holy wow. Yum. Count how many times I say yum in this video, seriously. I'm sorry, but I just can't right now, I just can't. These are just, they look so freaking good. Yum. I can't even. I just can't. They look so good. Oh. That, my friends, is what you call yum protein brownies. Now, I feel like I have to just do a taste test while I'm here, otherwise you're not going to know, but they look absolutely divine. Alright, let's have a taste test. Done. I'm done. That is, I'm making these when it's that time of the month because these are just like chocolate heaven. Oh, so good. All right. Well, so freaking good. Anyway guys, that concludes today's video. If you guys like this video or you like me or my channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and also leave me comments on what kind of videos you want to see. If you like the cooking, fitness, beauty, da, or you just, you know, sitting back and just waiting for the videos to be up, then so be it. But I hope you guys loved it, and I will see you in my next video. So thank you for watching. Bye.